Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Chrysler 300 key fob. First, gather all your existing and new key fobs. Make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the programming sequence. You'll need to be inside your vehicle with access to the ignition. This method is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership, allowing you to quickly get your new fob working. Let's start the programming process. Insert an already programmed key into your Chrysler 300 ignition. Turn the key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Hold it there for exactly 5 seconds, then turn it off and remove it. This action prepares your vehicle system to accept a new key fob, initiating the learning mode for the new device. Now, immediately insert the new, unprogrammed key fob into the ignition. Turn this new key to the on position, again without starting the engine. Keep it in the on position for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, turn the ignition off and remove the new key. This step registers the new key fob with your vehicle's security system, linking it for future use. Finally, test all functions of your newly programmed key fob, including locking and unlocking the doors, and the trunk release if applicable. If any key fob doesn't work, simply repeat the entire programming process from the beginning. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This ensures all your fobs are correctly synchronized and ready for daily use, providing convenience and security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.